Namaste everyone. Welcome to IQM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 11 from sloka number 31. Akhyahi me ko bhavanugrarupah namostu te deva varaprasida vijñātumiccāmi bhavantamadyan nahi prajanāmi tava pravrittim. Lord Krishna show his manifestation to Arjuna. Now Arjuna is trembling and he is telling, "O Lord of Lords, tell me who you are. I offer my obeisance unto you. Be merciful. I want to understand you, but I can't understand your actions." Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kalosmi Lokakshayakrit Pravriddha Lokan Samahartumiha Pravrittah Rite Pitvanna Bhavishyanti Sarve Yeva Sthitah Pratyanikeshu Yodhah. The Lord of Sri said, "I am time, the powerful destroyer of the world, who has come forth to wipe out everything. Even without your participation, the opposition will be slain." Tasmat tvamuttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun bhunksva rajyam samriddham mayaivaite nihatah purvameva nimittamatram bhavasavyasachin. Therefore, arise and win glory, overcome your enemies, and take pleasure in your sovereignty. And your enemies have already been killed by me, and you can be an instrument in the fight. Oh, Savyasachi, know about that. Dronancha Bhishmancha Jayatratancha Karnan Tathangyanapi Yodhaviran Maya Hatam Spanjahimavya Tishtaha Yudhyasva Jetasi Rane Sapatnan. I have already killed Drona, Bhishma, Jayatratha, as well as Karna and other heroic warriors. Do not be afraid. Fight and conquer the enemy in battle. Sanjaya Uvacha Etat Shrutva Vachanam Keshavasya Kritanjalir Vepamanah Kiriti Namaskritva Bhuya Yevaha Krishnam Jagadgatam Bhita Bhita Pranamya. Sanjaya said, upon hearing Krishna's speech, Arjuna, trembling with folded palms, offered obeisance in fear and spoke to Krishna in a flattering voice. Arjuna Uvacha Sthane Hrishikesha Tava Prakirtya Jagat Prahrishyat Yanurajyate Cha Rakshamsi Bhitani Disho Dravanti Sarve Namasyanti Cha Siddha Sanghaha. Arjuna said, "O Keshava, on hearing your praises, the world is filled with joy, while the demons flee in terror, and the perfected being offer you homage. Kasmachatena nameran mahatman gariyase brahmanopyadikartre ananta devesha jagannivasa tvamaksharam sadasattatparayat." And why should they not bow before you, O glorious one, who is even greater than Brahma? You are sanctuary of the universe, the indestructible, the manifest and the unmanifest, and that which is beyond both. त्वमादिदेवः पुरुषः पुराणः त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परन्निधानम् वेत्तासि वेद्यं च परं च धाम त्वया ततौ विश्वमनन्तरूप. You are the original personality of Godhead, the oldest, the ultimate sanctuary of the entire universe. You are the knower and the knowledge, the supreme abode. The entire universe is pervaded by you. वायुर्यमोऽग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेऽस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते. You are air, Yama, fire, water, the moon, the king of all beings, and the great grandfather. I offer obeisance to you thousands of times again and again. नमः पुरस्तादथ पृष्ठतस्ते नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वत एव सर्व अनन्तवीर्यामितविक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि ततोऽसि सर्वः. Obeisance to you from front, behind, and from all sides. You are boundless might and inexhaustible courage. You pervade all, and you are all everything.